Tired of the same old shows? Craving something fresh and exciting? You're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into how to download the Neon app on your smart TV. Neon, home to a treasure trove of exclusive shows, movies, and documentaries, is about to become your new favorite streaming platform. But first, let's tackle a burning question: why Neon? Neon boasts a unique blend of critically acclaimed international series, thought-provoking documentaries, and a curated selection of films. You won't find this content anywhere else. From gripping dramas to hilarious comedies and mind-bending documentaries, Neon offers something for everyone. Plus, their interface is incredibly user-friendly, making it a breeze to navigate and find your next binge-worthy watch. Before we jump into the download process, let's make sure your smart TV is compatible. Most modern smart TVs from brands like Samsung, LG, Sony, and Hisense support the Neon app. To confirm, simply check your TV's app store. If you can't find the Neon app there, you might need to consider a streaming device like a Chromecast or a Fire TV stick. These devices offer access to a wider range of apps, including Neon. Now, let's get to the download. The process is generally straightforward. Locate the App Store. On your smart TV remote, find the button that accesses your TV's built-in App Store. It's usually labeled Apps, Smart Hub, or something similar. Search for Neon. Use the on-screen keyboard or voice search, if available, to search for Neon. Select and install. Once you find the Neon app, select it. Click Install or Download and wait for the installation to complete. Launch and enjoy. After installation, launch the Neon app. You'll likely be prompted to sign in or create an account. Once logged in, you're ready to explore the vast library of content. Encountering any issues? Here are a few troubleshooting tips. Check your internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for streaming. Ensure your Wi-Fi signal is strong and your internet speed is sufficient for high-quality streaming. Restart your TV. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve minor glitches and refresh the system. Update the Neon app. Ensure you're using the latest version of the Neon app for optimal performance and bug fixes. Contact Neon support. If you're still experiencing problems, visit the Neon website or contact their customer support for assistance. Now that you've successfully downloaded Neon, let's explore some of its key features. Personalized recommendations. Neon learns your viewing habits and suggests shows and movies you might enjoy. Download for offline viewing. Download episodes and movies to watch later, even without an internet connection. Multiple profiles. Create separate profiles for different family members with personalized recommendations and viewing history. High-quality streaming. Enjoy crisp visuals and immersive sound with Neon's high-quality streaming options. With Neon, you're opening the door to a world of captivating entertainment. From award-winning dramas to thought-provoking documentaries and everything in between, Neon has something for everyone. So, what are you waiting for? Download the app and start exploring today. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.